Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction on iPhone. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get into the video. Firstly, launch the setting application on your iPhone, then tap on your name banner at the top here, scroll down and tap on the sign out option, enter your password and sign yourself out, and restart your device now, and then sign in again to your Apple ID and see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, open settings again and tap on your name banner. Now tap on payment and shipping here, remove previous payments and add again, and then tap on done. Also try change your Apple ID password. To change your password, tap on sign in and security option. You will see the option for change password. Tap on that here. Firstly, enter your iPhone password and then go ahead and add a new password and verify it and see if this fixes. If the issue is still not fixed, then you will have to take your iPhone to the nearest Apple store. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.